Hello my friends, it's Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to hashtag Thrifty Thursday. This is an open collab hosted by me where everyone can participate. Just use the hashtag in your title and post on a Thursday if at all possible. If you need to, I saw someone post a little early yesterday and that was super cool, so that is okay too. If you need to post a little early, a little late, just use the hashtag and people can still find you, right? No big deal. So thank you so much. And also, don't forget to link my channel in your description box and be a subscriber to my channel since it's my collab. Thanks so much. So let me show you what I got for you today. A couple of thrifty things. So I had picked up some things at TEMU before they contacted me. I had placed, I think, 2 orders, and I showed you one, but I never showed you the second one because they contacted me, and I wanted to go ahead and do those videos. But let me show you. I got some really cute things, just a few things, because I was still just trying them out, as far as, the first one was an experiment, and I liked that one. I liked everything. The only thing I didn't like on that first one, the first Temu order that I paid for, where I said it was an experiment, was the little cutter. I wanted to be truthful because I want you to know that I'm going to tell you the honest truth about whatever I get, right, from Temu or wherever. So the little cutter, it was, do I have it here? Let me see. Oh, let me see where I put it. Let me grab it. I just now thought of this. But yeah, this little cutter here, I can't get it to work great. It's not a brand. There's no brand on it, so it's just a generic one. And it's the little cutter that it's like a rotating gyro cutter, and you're supposed to be able to do. I thought it would be cool to use for fussy cutting and things like that. It's just supposed to be whip around, but I can't get it to work great for me. So I don't know if it's just because it's a generic one or if it's me, but I think it might be because it's a generic one, because I saw someone else using one where they got the name brand from Amazon. Gyro cutter, I think it's called, is the name brand or the original brand, and they were not having any problem at all. I'm like, what is the deal? So it's got, I think it's really got to be something about this blade or something is different. I don't know. But anyway, I couldn't get this to work. I wanted to tell you the truth about that. And so what I did was ask for a refund. I read their policy pretty carefully, and it says you can get 1 refund per order with certain benefits, like they're not going to, I don't know, it's just easier for you, or all the way around, it sounds like, if don't try to get more than 1 refund per order. So that's what I did. That's the only thing I got a refund on that order, and actually they told me to keep it. As you can see, I still have it, and it wasn't very much. It was $1.98, I think, if I remember right. So they refunded my $1.98 plus tax, and it was free shipping on that, of course. So I'm just spending so much time on that because I know a lot of you are maybe thinking about ordering, or maybe you've ordered and you don't know how the refund works. That's how it worked on that one. But that was only $1.98. So if you try to get a refund on a more expensive thing, it may or may not work different. So one more thing. I did order, let's see, it was with this order here. I ordered a pair of gloves for my husband, and they weren't what I thought they were going to be. I don't know if I read the listing wrong or what, but I got a refund on those also. That was in a separate order, this right here. So that was my second order. My very second order, not the one that I got for free, but this one that I paid for. The gloves weren't what I thought they were, so I thought, well, they were like $4.98, and so with the refund, I had to send a picture. They want to, even if you just send a picture of what you got, I guess they want to know that you have it and that you're just not, I don't know, trying to scam them or something. I don't know what the deal is with the picture. But I did send one picture with both of just, that I had the item, and it proves I have the item, I guess. And they gave me a refund on the gloves, $4.98 plus tax, and they also told me to keep those. So just wanted to give you an honest review on those 2 items. So what the other things I got with this order are 3 things. So it was only 4 things altogether. I'll put the prices for these in my description box. I'm not going to give them right now in the video, But I'll put them in my description box. These were not very much. None of this was expensive at all. Like really very, very inexpensive and really, really cute, I think. I'm trying to pick out things I'm really going to use and I really love type of thing, and things I don't have necessarily. So these are cute little like tickets, all different types of tickets, like airline tickets. They're like the mini version, and I believe they are stickers. See, look at this. Isn't this cute? Little stickers. Let me get it in the frame there. But yeah, and then they're stickers. Let me see how hard they are to peel off. I have not tried them yet. This is the first time. I just kind of look through them. Yeah, they're pretty easy to peel off, see? It's a thick backing. It's not acetate or, washi. It's a regular sticker, and there's the backing, a thick backing there. So anyway, I'll show you a few of these, and I'll try to put links in if they're not available anymore, like if they're sold out, I don't believe you can copy a link. So if it's not sold out, I will try to copy the link, put it in my description box, and also the price, and I'll try to put my coupon down there for you. That should still work. My coupon from my affiliate connection. So I just want to show you a few of these because I think there's a lot of different ones, and they're really cute. So let me get in the middle here and show you a few of these. Like I said, they're kind of a miniature version of tickets, which I think will really be fun to use in journals, right? So yeah, I will be doing some crafting with these. Here's a couple here. Look at that one with the airplane on it. So cool, right? And you get all of these. There's a bunch here. I don't know if they repeat or not. I don't really, as I'm looking at them, I'm not seeing any repeats. And I don't think you want me to show you every one because that would take a while. But just to give you an idea here. Ooh, what's that, an airplane? I'm not sure. Right now I'm not seeing what it is. Oh, is it this way? I'm not. Is it a fish? You're probably like, Sheree, it's a whatever. I'm not identifying with that right now. But anyway, these are really cute. I'll figure out. Somebody tell me what that is if you know what it is. That is funny. It's got. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I am not recognizing it right now. But here's a basketball ticket. So not just travel tickets, all kinds of tickets. Here's a transit boarding card. So cute, right? Okay. Company name. Cute. Okay, so that was all in one pack. And then I haven't opened these yet. I can, of course, see them. These are little eyelet, like, not eyelets, but eye screws, I believe they're called. And I bought these for a particular project I have in mind. But, they can be used in probably several different ways. I just have an idea in mind that I want to try these on. They are very tiny, so we'll see how they work. But I wanted the different colors because I hadn't really seen, like, you can get eye screws at Walmart and places like that, but they don't have pretty colors, right? So I thought that would be fun. So I think, if I remember right, there's 100 in here. Does it say on here? Nope, it doesn't say, but yeah, I will put all the information in my description box. So I got those cutie pies. And then this little package right here was another thing. So I got those two. The gloves that I already returned, but didn't have to return. These were in there. I don't know if this, it was sealed, and these were all sealed in cellophane. I've already taken them out of the packages to make sure everything, I could show you everything easily, but I don't know what these are. I don't remember these particular things. So anyway, these were in there, but this is what I really got. There's several in here. I don't remember how many. Not a whole ton, but I would say, 15, 20. But they're cards, and they are not stickers. So let's see. Oh, got two together there. But there, see how big this one is. Here's my hand, so you can see how big that is, like a big journaling card. And this looks like, you know, Alice in Wonderland. Here's an ad, looks like from a Pillsbury box or something, Cherry Winks, or from a magazine. So that's why I liked these, of course. They look like vintage ads and things like that. It looks like something I would make. I was just doing journaling cards where I cut out a focal point a couple weeks ago, and these remind me of something like that. Not exactly, but something like that I could, you know, any of us could make by using a magazine or a cookbook or a recipe book, you know, type thing. Or I mean, there could be ads like these in National Geographics or Reader's Digest magazines or Ideals magazines, or even the what's that one, the ladies magazine, the older one. I have some in my shop and I have some in my crafty stash. I can't think of what they're called right now, but you get the idea. I think these, I'm going to show you all of these because I think they're really cute. This is a guy working on, he's got a, anyway, he's working on he's working on an airplane. And here's a lady cooking, Campbell's Soup Company. And here's like a picture of a newspaper, the Daily Mail, another ad. Just little, I mean, can't you picture that in a like a National Geographic magazine, the old ads? This too. This too. I mean, you know, you've seen these ads, right? But they just cut it out, maybe shrank it down, of course, and there you go. Printed it on some, well, this is really thick. This is not just cardstock. It's very thick. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's very thick. And then here's another one, cute old ad for Baby Ruth. So cute, right? So let's see, that was Temu. And then it was my birthday in February 14th. And Maria sent me a gift here, and we kind of exchanged gifts on our birthdays. Hers is in January, and mine is in February. So I sent her something in January, and she sent me something in February. So first of all, I cut the stamps off her package. Aren't these nice? Look at the coffee stamps. Aren't those nice? And then these are bigger stamps. Like, I guess these are $1 stamps. Aren't those cute? So I'll put that in my stamp stash. Thank you, Maria. And then she sent me, she has this picture on her YouTube. That's Maria when she was a little girl. Isn't she cute? And it says Maria's Miscellany right there. Isn't that neat? I didn't know she had those. She must have had those printed up. But that's really cute. And in here she sent me some baubles and, you know, this and that and the other, bits and bobs. But little charms and things. There's a little tree. Little jewelry pieces I can use in my, look at this little coin. This is super cute. Look at that. I love this, actually. I love everything she sent me. A little lock here. Aren't these adorable? So all kinds of little things. There's a little palm tree in here. A little bird. So cute. Let's see. Oh, here's a bigger key. And then there's some beads and a couple of those trees. Here's another key. Some feathers. There's several feathers in here. So all kinds of little, like I said, bits and bobs. Here's some the beads. These little ones, and then there's some bigger ones. There's some little square ones. Like amber color. Those are pretty. Some green ones, and there's some kind of green ones too. These kind of have a rainbow color on them. So thank you, Maria. Those are really cool. I love those. She sent it in this cute little box. Let's see. And then she sent me these earrings. I think she might have made these. I'd have to look back at her video, but I'm sure. Well, I'm not sure, but she may have. I'm not sure, though. So she's got 2 earrings here. They're little white mushrooms. They have a little bead cap on the bottom. That's cute. Anyway, are they cute? Silver findings and white mushrooms. Those will go with everything, right? They're white, so great for spring. So, and they were in this cute little drawstring bag. And let's see that. Oh, here's a little owl charm that fell out of the box. That was in there. And then she sent me some postcards, really beautiful. Look at these. Let's see, this was a card that she sent me. And she wrote a note in there, but isn't that beautiful? A vintage card. Love it. Looks like those Hallmark books. The colors. Norcross informal card. Does it have a year on it? No, I don't see a date, but really cute. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then some postcards. Very vintage. These are probably very old, especially this one right here. It's embossed. A Happy New Year. And it has writing on the back. Well, no, that's an address. I don't know, I can't see a date, but it looks very old, doesn't it? Oh, wait a minute. Wow, it looks like 1900. December 29, 1900 maybe? I'm not sure. But it could be. And this one, let's see, this one's also embossed. A Happy Eastertide with the chicken and the rooster. With the blooming spring tree there. Maybe a cherry tree. Looks like he's got a little gift for her, or she's got a gift for him there in their beaks. But here's the back of it. 1908 on this one. Thank you, Maria. Oh my goodness, I can't believe you parted with those. Thank you so much for being so generous with me. With all good wishes. That's got embossing on it too. Very pretty. Here's the back. 1912 on this one. Look at the address. How do they... I mean, that's all there is to it on the address there. Miss Blanche, something, Ginsan something, Dubois, Pennsylvania. That's the address. That's it. And it got there, I guess. Anyway, and here's another one, also embossed. Birthday greetings, 1909. Now this has a full address. Look at the writing. DeKalb Junction, St. Lon, Colorado. No, St. Lon something, CO, New York. This side for the address only, 1909. Thank you so much, Maria. And those were in this pretty craft colored envelope, which I can use again. Isn't that nice? It's very thick. So that was it. That's my Thrifty Thursday for today. Hope you enjoyed. Check out my description box if you want to check out Temu. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.